Today we're going to dive into a fantastic tool that can make your remodeling or building project not only more organized, but a lot more fun. The mood board. Whether you're a homeowner or an investor taking the first steps in planning a remodel, renovation, or a restoration, this video aims to eliminate stress and bring excitement and some fun into your project. So let's get started on this journey together and discover how mood boards can be a game changer for your home transformation. So, what is a mood board? For those that don't know, it's a place where all your ideas and dreams can come together regarding the space or home you're trying to create. You can gather samples, images, swatches, anything that helps you zone in and focus on the final end result that you're trying to create in your home. Mood boards are an excellent way to visualize how different elements of your project will come together before making any purchases. They allow you to experiment with various styles, colors, different schemes, and materials in a risk-free environment. By seeing everything laid out in one place, you can easily identify what works and what doesn't, what you like and what you don't, and you ensure a cohesive and harmonious design. And one of the greatest benefits of a mood board is the significant reduction in stress, making the entire process more enjoyable and less overwhelming. With a mood board, you have tangible reference that keeps you focused and organized, allowing you to make informed decisions with more confidence. They're also invaluable for communication. They serve as a visual tool to convey your vision to contractors, designers, architects, anyone else involved in your project. This helps align expectations and ensures everyone is on the same page, minimizing misunderstandings and enhancing collaboration. How to create a mood board. Start by collecting items that inspire you and that you love. This could be images from Instagram, Pinterest, fabric swatches, paint samples, or even objects from nature. The goal is to discover a variety of elements that resonate with the vision you have for your project. Don't limit yourself. The more diverse your collection, the better. You can even get some great ideas from other magazines or take photos if you go to open houses, and if it's an exterior item, go around your neighborhood or other neighborhoods and snap photos of things that you like and that you don't like. Because what you don't like is as important to identify as what you do like. Once you've gathered your inspiration, it's time to organize these elements into themes or color palettes. Group similar items together to create a cohesive look. Break out your mood boards by spaces as well. Individual rooms should get their own boards, at least for the main sections of the house. And then you can look at them all and make sure that the overall look of your home is cohesive and works well together. This will help you see patterns and connections, making it easier to refine your vision. Categorizing these items will bring clarity and make the next steps in the process smoother. Now, decide how you want to compile your mood board. For digital options and those that like the tech, Canva and Pinterest are fantastic tools that offer flexibility and ease of use. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider using corkboard or a scrapbook. Even getting a binder that we'll discuss later will allow you to store different items within each section so that you can track what you're liking and what you're wanting. And you can bring that with you to the job site if you're speaking with architects or designers, or when you're out exploring for new and other different items to include in your project. Sheets of poster board, the old-fashioned poster board can be used. Have some fun and get creative while you're doing this. It's a good time. The key is to choose a method that feels comfortable and allows you to express your creativity effectively. Here are a couple of examples of mood boards for you to check out. To include in your mood board. Color schemes. Selecting a cohesive color palette is crucial for any successful design. Include the paint chips, fabric swatches, and images that represent your chosen colors. This will help you visualize how different hues interact and ensure they complement each other beautifully. A well-thought-out color scheme sets the tone for your entire project. Next, add some samples of materials such as wood, tile, fabric, and metal that can bring your mood board to life. These textures add depth and interest to your design, making it more dynamic and engaging. By including a variety of materials, you can better understand how they will work together in your space. I'm always grabbing pieces of tile or samples from various places to try and combine. Next up would be furniture and decor. Incorporate pictures of furniture pieces, light fixtures, rugs, other decor items that you're considering for your project. This helps you visualize the scale and proportion of these elements within your overall design. Remember to think about how these items will interact with each other and fit into your space harmoniously. Bathroom fixtures, appliances, knobs, and pulls can all be a part of this for their respective rooms. The more detailed you get, the smoother your project will go, and the more likely you are to stay on track and within budget. Okay, a few more sources for ideas and inspiration. As we said, Instagram and Pinterest, they're great. Follow interior designers, home decor accounts, relevant hashtags to discover a plethora of ideas, more than you could ever imagine. These platforms allow you to save and organize your favorite images, making it easy to reference them later. But here's what we always say. Set a time limit on how long you'll be diving into all the options on those sites. I've been there and done that, and it can be never ending. And what you want to do is collect enough ideas so that you're ready to move forward to the next step, not to get stuck in Pinterest and Instagram searching for the next best thing that you might like. Magazines and websites are also great. Consider House and all kinds of different home decor magazines that you can pick up when you're at the grocery store or at the CVS. I see them all the time, and I always end up grabbing one. Browse through these magazines, and they can give you fresh ideas and highlight current trends. House is a great place with all the different galleries and articles that it offers to spark your creativity and offer practical advice for your projects. And sometimes the best inspiration comes from seeing designs in person. Visit model homes, showrooms, or open houses to experience different styles firsthand. Take photos or collect brochures during these visits to add to your mood board later. Real-life sources give you a tangible sense of space, texture, and scale that's invaluable for your planning process. So, to wrap things up here, mood boards are a fantastic tool for reducing stress and enhancing enjoyment in your remodeling projects. They help you visualize your ideas, experiment with different elements, and communicate your vision clearly. Remember the steps. Gather inspiration, organize your elements, choose the tools you're going to use to keep them organized and keep track, and include key components like color schemes, textures, and furniture. Now it's your turn. Start creating your own mood board for your upcoming project. Dive into the process and have fun with it. Feel free to share your progress and ask any questions. I'd love to hear from you. All right, next video coming up. See you then.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.